Hi, my people. It's a boy. Once again, it's a boy Tony Mushiri official. That's my name on YouTube, and I'm back in the village. I'm just doing some cleaning. Say hi, say hi. So you can see these are piglets that are ready to be rehomed. They are ready for the next home. This one is 1 month and how many weeks? 2 weeks.
Yeah.
1 month, 2 weeks. And you can see the size. So the breed is the mother is a large white and the father is a Duroc. That way you can see the black spot. Yeah. And you see like this one. You can see this one is a bit big. Yeah. So I'm just doing some cleaning over here. In this, this is unit 1. We got the unit 2 there and the unit 3 here where we got our boa. So I'm just doing some touch up. So let me show you. So what I was trying to do is I was trying to clean up the place, and you can see where the drainage is. So I want maybe to just do some cleaning over there. We got our boa on that side. I will be showing you in a few. So this is a mother, and you see it is a bit slim. It is usually very huge, but bringing up this number of piglets, they are 11 in number, is not a joke. So this one is a large white, and you can see the piglets are of good size. They are just good. So this one is one of the best breed that you can have, the cross of large white and Duroc. That one gives you the perfect breed for you. For those who want maybe to start their farm, if you come across this video, you can reach out to me. You can reach out to me on the comment section. I'll get to ensure that you get the piglet because there are plenty of them. They are just a lot. I got some good number that is enough for most of those will be my customers. On this other side, we got this one. These are large white too, and you can see the piglets. So this one will be ready in this month from date 22nd. This one from date 10 of this month. This one are supposed to be, I'm supposed to dispose them. So this is a feeding trough where we have been trying to train them on how to eat, and they are eating comfortably. So before we release the piglet to the next home, usually ensure that they are able to eat. Within 1 month and a half, the piglets are usually ready to be sown to or to be rehomed to the next home. So this is how my structure looks like. Yeah. And on this other side, we have this one that got under quite some number of piglets. It around this one were 14, but it is left on 2. So we are left with 12. The other one gave me a good number, which was 12. It is left on 1, and we got the 11 remaining. So basically what I'm doing, my guys, I'm just doing some cleaning. I'm just ensuring that my pig, where I have my pigs is quite clean. So like this one, you can see, this is a boa. This is a boa that I'm intending to keep, to be serving my sows. But anyway, anything can happen. I may get to dispose it, but my purpose and my plan is to have this boa because this one is a Duroc, but the mother was large white and the father was Duroc. And from my other videos, you can go and check on how I constructed this pig structure. This unit I constructed it together with the help of my brother, and we did it within less than 3 hours. We are done doing everything, the concreting, and you can see it is quite good. This one is enough, very and of good size. For the boa, you can see you got the water nipple over there. So basically what I want to do, and this is where we usually heap our manure from the pig unit. We usually sometimes we don't clean all the days. Sometimes we usually sweep. Once we sweep, maybe you bring the manure to this one far end and just throw it in on this side. But some other times, like when I'm cleaning, once in a week or twice in a week, usually use water to clean. The water goes down, and where the water goes, we have planted some arrowroots. Yeah, doma. That's what we call them. So you can see there's some arrowroot that we have planted here. So the waste that usually comes from the pig usually comes to this area. Yeah, so we want to maximize on everything. So within some few months, you'll be able to get some arrowroot from this point because a lot of water usually drains downwards. So guys, let's get back to. I'm also going to get this heap out. This concrete that this concrete came from this point, and divided this place into two. These were two units because you can see we got two feeding trough. We got this one and the other one on that side. So the reason as to why you see these piglets got some black spot, or you see like that one is golden. Somehow golden, and that one is because of the father. The father was a duloc. So this is a cross of large white and duloc, which gives you a perfect breed. The reason as to why I'm saying it is a perfect breed, from the books it tells us so, and even from my own experiment it is true, because like this boy is almost now 5 months, and well, I can give it around 40 to 50 kgs, 45 to, let's say 45 to 55, within 5 months. So it means when it is 6 7 months, or 7 months, we can give it around 70 kgs, which means it will have attained the exact weight, or the needed weight for the market. So you can see. So I'm just done with this point. So let's clean this other unit. The other one I'm just going to sweep, because the piglet on that side are quite small. I wouldn't want to maybe clean that place. Yeah, I don't want to give them maybe stress. But for this one, of good size, they are old enough to just be washed. You can see they have really enjoyed. So these ones were okay. It was okay to wash them. You can see the mother looks smart, very clean indeed. So I want to. This one usually loves water a lot. So first, guys, let me drink the water. The water is clean and so cold. Very smart. This water is very good. Very clean. So this is what I love doing. So guys, kindly go on my YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please do so. Yeah, you can see even it is sleeping. It is enjoying. Wow. Yeah. So this place is going to be very clean in a few. So first, I usually pour the water to ensure that the waste that is on the floor get to detach itself from the floor. You can see this one is enjoying. So that's how much pigs usually love water. You can see what it is doing. It is enjoying a lot, guys. This is what I love doing. I love being at the farm. And also, guys, anyone out there who is willing to support me, from my description on when you check on my YouTube, maybe can I say the profile? My number is there, or even on the comment section, you can just reach out to me. You can let me share my number. Yeah, anyone who is willing maybe to support my project, those who are watching from abroad or anywhere, and you are willing to support what I'm doing, guys, I'm very willing to be supported. Yeah, I'm very willing to be supported. So I don't know. That's my dog. That's Simba. Simba, and he scared me. I noticed someone was. I thought someone was there. Say hi. Say hi. This is my Kenyan Shepherd. This is our guard at home. Yeah, my very lovely dog. Simba, chap. Yeah. So Simba has come to join us. This is a local breed in Kenya. Here we call them Motina. So guys, that's one Moshiri for you, and this is what I love doing. Yeah, so pig farming is a good venture. It's a good venture that those young guys, I can advise you to try to attempt and see how you can get well yourself, maybe because like once you have a pig and you decide to dispose some, I guarantee you that the returns are quite good. Maybe the challenge is when you're bringing up the pig ready to maturity, because you can imagine for the next 6 to 7 months you'll just be getting into your pocket. But from the 7 month, once you go to the slaughter or you dispose your pig, you'll be just be laughing at and seeing the far that you have come. So the challenge is that in Kenya right now the pins have really gone up. There before I had a lot of pigs, and around 17 in number, but and to dispose some of my pigs because of the cost of fins really went up, and even the job that I was doing then was not promising. So I had to dispose most of my pigs to just sustain the remaining ones. So I've remained with 3 in number, that is this boar and the 2 mothers, the 2 souls that got piglets. But I usually got a very good breed because like the mother that is down there, the mother to that mother, if you check on my videos, we had gotten it, the breed, and come from South Africa. So that Raj White is one of the best, and the first time it gave me 12 piglets, the second time it gave me 14, and this time it gave me 16. So you can tell, and the daughter has given me the first time. She has given me 12, and this is these ones when this male was they were 14 in number. So guys, that's what I have been doing. That is what has been sustaining my life. That's what I'm saying. For those who love what I'm doing, kindly, you can support me. I'll put my number over there for anyone who is willing to support me. I'm ready to be supported, but even if there's no support, I'm still okay. Maybe if you watch my video, that's a good I appreciate. That is one of the first support that you can give me by liking and sharing my videos. That's another good support you'll have given me. So let's first fill the water there. The same water I'm filling there is the water that I'm going to use to just to pour onto this place and clean it, and I'm going to use it to clean the trap. So I've sent on the unit that is down there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to sweep. I'm not intending to wash because those piglets are 1 month and less than a month. Yeah, they are less than a month. In fact, they are 3 weeks. That's what I'm saying. If they are around 3 weeks and some days, that's what I'm saying. I'll dispose, because I usually dispose my piglets at 1 month and 1.5 months. That's when I usually dispose my piglets. For these ones, they will be reaching their 1.5 month on the 10th of this month. That's why I'm going to be disposing them, my guys. And the other one I'll be disposing them from 22nd. So let me first fill the water from that place. Yeah. So guys, those who have piglets, kindly be washing your piglets. Yeah, keep your pigs, not piglets, your pigs and even your piglets. Kindly ensure that you keep your pig units very clean. Make sure that you clean up the units and also clean the pigs. Ensure that you clean your pigs. Yeah, they usually enjoy to be washed. Yeah, you can see from by yourself. You can see how this male is enjoying. Yeah. It usually relieves them maybe some stress and also that enjoyment, and when you are cleaner you feel afresh. Yeah, I believe that one also contributes to the growth rate. So kindly you can ensure that you wash your pigs. Yeah, pigs usually love water, so you can see. So guys, I wasn't done with this one, only that I started recording, and I shifted to this unit. So for that one, but it is remaining a a very few, maybe some very few dust to just try to drain the excess water from that point. So they under the water. Toga ngase saluda atere. So I'm telling my brother to I want to finish up. Oh, madam. So I just hope the video will be audible because we got the shaft cutter that is cutting the, you can show them from down there. That's where we have the shaft cutter. That's where we usually cut the fins for our cows over there. So I'm just done, like I told you. What I want to do is just to drain the excess water. The morning is in a space.
So kenini tipo sije ngola dale ini la enke panani eso
So this one is done. Let's catch up in the next pig unit. So these are the pig units. Yeah, so let's get clean up. So the best thing, once you construct your unit really good, you won't have a lot of stress when you're doing the cleaning because you're supposed to have it gently slopey. So you can see the water is just draining by itself. It's quite easy to just clean. Once you pour the water just drains itself. Wait. Stop biting the pipe, man. So guys, I'm just done on this one. You can see in less than a few minutes, less than 10 minutes, around 7 minutes, I'm just done doing the cleaning because I constructed this unit really well. You go and check on my video that I posted today. Yesterday, that is. Yesterday was, today is the day 3. So there's a video that I posted on that the first, or if not that the first, on date 1 of you can go and check. You'll see how I constructed this unit together with my brother. So guys, allow me to end the video from this point. Make sure that you'll watch this video to the end and subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye.